We're seeing abnormally warm temperatures, and in fact today and tomorrow once again record highs, at least the potential of seeing them with highs around 90 degrees. All right, so here's a live look outside Delray Beach. If you're heading towards the beach, a great spot to cool off, but do watch out for the rip currents. We do have a high chance of those. With the gusty winds, the waters will be on the rough side. Now we also have a red flag warning in effect for today. That's for the entire Treasure Coast and into Okeechobee County. We have very dry air, very dry soil, and very gusty winds. So the combination of that will lead to any little spark could start a brush fire, and those could spread very, very quickly. So again, keep that in mind for today. And we're warming up quickly. 85 right now in Vero Beach, 84 into the Palm Beaches. We're heading into the upper 80s to right around 90. And it's very windy. The wind's coming in from the south. That's a very warm flow for us. And these are sustained winds up to 20 miles an hour. But check out the wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. So it's going to be a very warm and very blustery day. By tomorrow, though, the winds do back on off as we head into the weekend. Right now, just a couple of fair weather clouds here or there. Not expecting anything in the way of rainfall today, but that's going to change as we head into Sunday. We could actually pick up a couple of showers on Sunday, much needed. There's a storm that's working its way across the Mississippi. They could have a round of very strong storms, and eventually this front will settle into South Florida as we head into Sunday, and we could certainly use that rain. In fact, we have a moderate drought region-wide, except into far southern Palm Beach County where we're abnormally dry, but we're definitely running a deficit as far as rainfall goes. Into Vero Beach, since the beginning of the new year, you are down by 2.5 inches. Into Fort Pierce, just over 3 inches, and into the Palm Beaches, we're roughly 5 inches below average since the beginning of the year. So we can certainly use some of that wet weather. Here's the current setup, a big area of lower pressure moving across the central part of the country. Here's the front. Tomorrow the front settles up near Jacksonville. South of the front, we'll have a southwest flow. So tomorrow's a very warm day. Some of you could pop into the lower 90s as we head into your Saturday. And then on Sunday, the front stalls right on top of the central part of the state. We'll have more clouds around. Temperatures a little bit cooler, and we'll have a few showers here or there, maybe a thunderstorm too. So could pick up a bit of rainfall as we head into your Sunday, even though it's scattered about. Today, definitely a warm one. Daytime highs upper 80s to around 90. Keep in mind that the upper 70s, that's the average for this time of year. Overnight tonight, 60s and 70s. If you're going boating, we do have a small craft advisory in effect with seas up to 8 feet. So the waters will be pretty choppy. And here's your first alert 7-day forecast. Hot through tomorrow, then certainly more comfortable for Sunday and Monday, but some showers around 2.